Forget chickens and eggs. Which came first, the Earth or the Moon? News.com has learned about new research that is designed to help solve that question of origin. It comes from the SLIM spacecraft, or smart lander for investigating Moon, which the government of Japan sent there in January. It landed upside down, yet can analyze Moon rocks with a spectral camera. We are hoping that the rock analysis will lead us to the origin of the Moon, Shinichiro Sakai, with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, said Wednesday, February 14. The Associated Press reports one scientific theory is that the Moon developed long ago when Earth collided with another planet. It's known as the giant impact theory. SLIM has analyzed 10 rocks on the Moon so far. Japanese astronomers would have been happy with one. But SLIM can work only about 2 weeks a month. It must wait until sunlight returns to its lunar location in late February. News.com reported in late January that SLIM's solar panels awakened several days after its landing. Yet Japanese experts admit they're not sure if their camera can survive a night on the Moon. NASA estimates the temperature can drop below -200 degrees Fahrenheit. SLIM landed in an area filled with volcanic rocks. It missed its target of the Scioli crater by about 60 yards. Most Moon missions since the 1960s have aimed for flat areas to ensure a smooth landing. Another goal of the mission is to learn if lunar rocks have anything in common with Earth rocks. The SLIM mission is part of a trend that could bring to mind a hit 1965 song, Everyone's Gone to the Moon. An overnight launch is planned Thursday, February 15 of a private United States company's lunar spacecraft. According to Bloomberg, Intuitive Machines Incorporated of Houston hopes to land Nova C on the Moon in about 1 week. Forbes magazine notes it's also known as Odysseus, named after the classic writing of Homer. The lunar lander will carry 11 payloads, including 6 from NASA. A scheduled Wednesday launch was delayed due to fueling problems. It would be the first intact U.S. landing on the Moon since the Apollo era of the 1970s, and the first ever by a private company. News.com reported in mid-January on the failed Peregrine launch by Astrobotic Technology of Pittsburgh. A fuel leak developed after the launch, making a flight of 240,000 miles to the Moon impossible. Astrobotic plans to try again in November. But first, Firefly Aerospace of Texas has 2 lunar launches planned. The company's website does not disclose a launch date for the first Blue Ghost mission. NASA is encouraging private missions to the Moon. One long-range goal by Intuitive Machines is a set of satellites orbiting the Moon, similar to Elon Musk's Starlink system.